Good day, dear students. Today we'll be doing Unit 12, Unique Buildings. Okay, we'll be focusing on grammar, the title articles. Okay, we've already learned articles in Year 3 and Year 4. So this is kind of a repetition for you. So I hope you remember. Okay, moving on. Now, let's read the two sentences. The roof is designed to give the impression of a dragon. It resembles an elephant, which is part of Thai culture. Now, class, the words a and an are called indefinite articles. So, a is used for words which begin with a consonant. Okay, we have 26 alphabets, okay, from A, B, C, D until Z. So out of that, 21 alphabets are consonants. So we have a building, a cat, a dog, a fairy, a giant, a house, a jug, a kettle, a lamb, a mount, a nose, a pail, a quilt, a rabbit, a snail, a tunnel, a vest, a whistle, a xylophone, a yacht, and a zebra. So if you see, out of the 26 alphabets, 21 alphabets are consonants. So when it starts with a consonant, we have the article a in front. Okay, moving on to N. N is used for words which begin with a vowel sound. Okay, like I said, from the 26 alphabets, 21 alphabets were consonants. The other 5 alphabets are vowels. So, for example, vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, we have 5. A, E, I, O, U. So, these are the examples. An architect, an earthquake, an igloo, an octopus, an umbrella. Okay? Now, however, there are certain rules. Okay? Like I used to say, English is special. We have special cases in English. So, we do not put a or an before a plural noun because a and an means one. Okay? Like I say, a dog. Okay? A dog means one dog. Can I say dogs? No, because dogs, the word dogs is a plural noun, means many dogs. If there are many dogs, you can't put a dogs. The same goes for an. I can say an apple. I cannot say an apples. It's totally wrong because apples are plural. Plural noun. So you say an apple, a dog. You should not use a or an before a plural noun. So the exceptions. English, special case. So we have exceptions. So we do not use an before a word that begins with a vowel that makes a Y sound. We use a instead. Okay, for example, university. University, it starts with the alphabet U, which is a vowel. However, we cannot use N in front because university, U, when you say it, you have the Y sound in front, university. So if we have the consonant sound in front, you have to change it. You have to put a university. The same goes. A European, a unicorn, a used car. You cannot use N before a word that begins with a vowel that makes a Y sound. Okay, exception number 2. We do not use a before a word that begins with a silent H. we use N instead. So, owl. Okay, we don't say howl, we say owl. The H in front is a silent H. Can you see this? This is a silent H. So we cannot say a owl, we say an owl. The same goes to honest girl. We do not say honest, we say honest. The H is a silent H. So an honest girl. Remember, we cannot use a before a word that begins with a silent H. We have to replace it with N. Okay, moving on to the next slide. Now, look at the sentences. While you're watching this video, I want you to say the sentences. Okay, read the sentences. They reached home in an hour. Remember, we cannot use a before hour because the H in hour is a silent H. So if it's a silent H, you have to use N. Number 2, there is a statue of a unicorn in front of the building. So, like I said previously, unicorn. We don't say unicorn. If we say unicorn, we can use N, but we say unicorn. We have the U, the Y sound. So because of that, we have to use a in front of unicorn. Number 3, Maney took a picture of the elephant with a camera. Like I said, camera starts with a C. C is a consonant sound. So we definitely have to use a. Okay. Number 4. Miss Sharmila likes Jocelyn because she is an honest girl. The same thing, honest. The H is a silent H. So we do not pronounce the H. We don't say it's a silent H. We say honest. So since we are saying honest, we have to have N in front of honest. So I hope you get it. Okay, we have a, we have N. Now moving on to the. Just now, a and N were indefinite articles. The is known as it's known as a definite article. So the is used for a particular person or thing. The roof, the architect, the owner. The is also used to refer to things that are more than one. For example, the fruits, the people, the buildings, the boys, the cats. The is also used for something that is only one of its kind. Means we only have one in the whole world. For example, the moon. We only have one moon, right? So we use the moon. We can't say a moon. A moon means which moon? We have more than one. We only mean one. So the moon. The solar system. The sun. Okay. Now, that's all on articles. So kids, after you have watched this video, please go to your Google Classroom. Okay, I've given you questions. Okay, I've given you a set of questions which you have to answer by tomorrow. Okay, I've given you a due date till tomorrow. So watch this video, answer the questions, and don't forget to key in your attendance in the link that I've given in your WhatsApp. Okay, in your group WhatsApp. Can you do this? Okay. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to WhatsApp me or call me. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye.